Hey guys! Hope you enjoyed watching yesterday's video. Well, for all those people who don't know who I am, I'm Mangi Chauhan. I live in Mumbai. I recently moved from Winnipeg, Canada after staying for 4 long years. I have not yet figured out my niche, but I think eventually I will be able to. That's my guess. Anyways, stay along. I hope you enjoy watching my videos, and today is going to be a fun day. My life is not very aesthetic as it used to be, but you know what? This is a new life, and I'm more than happy to accept it. Just want to show you who's my cameraman today, camera woman. It's my mom. She's holding the camera for me. Well, let's freaking go.
Quick outfit change because I didn't like how I was looking earlier. So now I'm going to Andheri. I'm meeting Adarsh. A lot of people know him, a lot of people may not know him. I'll introduce you to him today. Let's go. I'm taking a metro and going to Andheri. I love metros, by the way. It's just so much fun. There's air conditioning, which is something I love, and it's all crowded. ये तो मैंने 38,000. He asked me how much my camera is for, and then he continued the conversation. He subscribed to my channel, and then eventually he dived into, your smile is really cute, and I was like, शॉपिंग डन. इतनी सी हमने आज शॉपिंग की, सिर्फ इतनी सी, विच इज वेरी रेयर क्योंकि वी बाय अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. मेरा यही एक कंफ्यूजन है, मैं हिंदी में ब्लॉगिंग करूं कि मैं इंग्लिश में करूं.
दोनों में.
हिंदी इंग्लिश में.
Whatever you feel like.
राइट नाउ आई एम फीलिंग हिंदी. वरना इंग्लिश क्योंकि समझ ही नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि देखो आई ऑल्सो हैव कैनेडियन सब्सक्राइबर्स, आई ऑल्सो हैव इंडियन सब्सक्राइबर्स.
Captions in the one.
True. Anyways, we came to 4 bungalows and हमने shopping की. It's our favorite place to be, especially Vidhi and I. So we finished shopping and now we are going to my favorite restaurant, Dakshinayan. The best discovery of all time. The best place to eat South Indian food. Anyways, so कोई होता है अभी जैसे तुम हो तो मुझे awkwardness नहीं होती, ठीक है, vlog करने. If I was by myself, I would be so awkward. Anyways,
Benne dosa is a new addition.
actually yes.
Dakshinan is the real OG.
बेने डोसा मेरे को तो दोनों अच्छे लगे. मुझे उनका डोसा बहुत क्रिस्पी लगा और अच्छा लगा, मतलब इन नाइसर वे कि बहुत क्रिस्पी एंड नाइस डोसा. तो
Dakshinan is like a hotel thing.
yeah,
Benne dosa is
the only reason
kind of it gives a Gen Z kind of feels.
yeah,
A very comfy place where you can just hang for a minute or two and
Yeah.
then eat and just go home. You don't get to sit and chill.
If I was to choose between I can't choose between Benne and Dakshinayan. By the way, Benne and Dakshinayan are the name of the restaurants that serve South Indian food for people who don't know. I think Dakshinayan still tops the list in terms of chutneys. The chutneys I go there for chutneys, to be really honest. The only reason I go there. And Benne also the chutney, red chutney is delicious. Wherever they serve red chutney, that's where my heart is. We're heading to Dakshinayan and meeting Addy. By the way, for people who haven't met him, he's Shan. Shan is our friend. This is the best part. You can be on your bikes.
नहीं दिख रहा है।
Here. Adi! So we are at Dakshina and I'll show you what is inside in a while. Adarsh, stop zooming in and out. And back at my favorite restaurant after almost a year. Mind you, after a year.
वो मैं तो आया ही नहीं बहुत टाइम से।
तू तो बहुत टाइम से नहीं। I think
हाँ।
last I was here was with Vidhi. And yeah, that was the only time I was here. Yeah, उसके बाद I haven't come here and I'm just so excited. This is my favorite restaurant. And we are
पर
going
तू
to
तो बोल रही थी बहन है तेरा फेवरेट, अभी ये
No.
हो गया।
No, it's both. I actually on the way discussed how.
आदर्श रेस्टोरेंट खोलेगा तो सिर्फ रेड चटनी रखेगा।
हाँ, सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ बेचूंगा।
सिर्फ रेड चटनी। फिर मार्गी बोलेगी हाँ ये मेरा नया फेवरेट है, ठीक है, रेड चटनी है ना।
सिर्फ रेड चटनी मिलती है यहाँ पे और रोटी।
So let's go. The best part about the restaurant is this right here. And these two bowls are not going to be enough, by the way. At the end we'll show you how much you actually have left in the bowl.
ये अकेले खाएगी, ये अकेले खाएगी। मैं
Perfect. The first. It's so hard to break also. Masala, I don't even care. All I care about is that. Exactly. This is what I care about.
the amount of chutney this girl eats.
And this is like crazy. I don't even eat white chutney. It's just these three. Now I'll eat and see you later. I was recording on this. He looked at my camera and he's like, so how much is this camera for? And I'm like, 38,000. I was telling him, okay, this camera is enough. And he's like, what's the battery like? And I'm like, depends on, if you're recording 4K or something. He had no idea about camera world or anything, but he was just very like, I just want to talk to him. And I was like, depends, like 3 hours, 2 hours, everything. And then he proceeds, he tells me, a new channel or do you vlog every day? And I'm like, it's very different right now. I moved from Canada, so it's like, I'm restarting and everything. And he's like, oh, okay. Where do you edit? And I'm like, I've done filmmaking, so I do it on Premiere, but I'm like, it's a paid platform. If you want to do that, you need to buy like something free or something. But I'm like, he has no idea.
Why are you blushing so much?
I'm not.
Why are you blushing so much?
I'm not blushing. फिर उसके बाद
Let me see.
So we finished talking about this, what the cameras and everything, and he's like, he asked me for my YouTube channel, and I was like, okay, fine, I'll get a subscriber. So I gave him my YouTube channel, and then he tells me, are you going to go to Canada? I'm like, I don't know. I'm not giving you all the details, and I'm like, I'm not sure. And he's like, okay. And then he's like, my name is nice to meet you. I'm like, nice to meet you. Simple. And then he kept on smiling. Like, nahi niche when you get that. And he kept talking to me. Like, he was like, nice to meet you. He was asking me questions because he just wanted to. And then he's like, so what's your name? I'm like, Margaret. And he's like, are you Maharashtrian? Like your Chauhan comes in Maharashtra. I'm like, no. He's like, are you from Rajasthan? I'm like, no, I'm not from Rajasthan, I'm from Mumbai. And then he's like, can I get your phone number? I'm like, I don't have a phone number only.
That's what you came up with.
I said, unfortunately, I cannot give you my phone number. It's Canadian. And he was fine. He walks up. He's like, your smile is so pretty. Oh, your smile is beautiful. And he kept on smiling.
Yes, she is talking about you. You can break the fourth wall and tell him that yes, I am talking about you.
I don't know.
Come
what
on,
to
say something. Where are you?
I'm at the beach right now, and we just finished eating at Dakshinayan, and we walked to the beach from Dakshinayan, all the way from Dakshinayan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like 200 meters hardly.
And I mean, we're just hanging out at the beach. It's so peaceful right now. It's not even crowded, which is the nicest part.
Now we'll walk around for some time.
Yeah, now we'll actually hey, look at the flight. We're going to sit here, catch up on our lives, which we already have done, but we are still going to because it's still never enough. And then, yeah, you know what? That's it. So enjoy the sound of waves for some time, and then
Sound of waves. Oh.
the sound of waves. Imagine when they be cutting his phone. Oh my god, you can literally tie like two ponytails on him. Like so cute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share.
I just want to say thank you to everybody who watched my video yesterday. I appreciate it so much.